Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel.
In today's video, we are going to explore Google Gemini, a powerful AI tool by Google.
Let's see its features and how you can use it for study, work, and content creation.
First, open your browser and go to gemini.google.com. Sign in using your Google account.
Let's type explain cloud computing in simple words.
Gemini gives a clear and simple explanation instantly.
Let's type, write a YouTube intro for a tech channel.
You can also use Gemini to create content, like scripts, emails, or social media posts.
Upload an image and ask, what is shown in this image?
Gemini can understand images and give detailed information.
Google Gemini is a powerful AI tool that can make your work easier and faster. Try it today and explore its features.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech videos.